Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking this oversized men's t-shirt that I bought for £2 and turning it into the wardrobe staple, the little black dress. This is such a classic and essential item of clothing, so why not make it yourself, saving lots of money. Let's get into it. With the t-shirt inside out, make a straight line all the way across the bottom of the collar, then cut across that line. Next, I took a dress I already owned that I liked the fit of and used this as a pattern for my new dress. Trace the shape of the dress onto your t-shirt, then repeat the shape about half an inch away from the one you traced. You'll have something like this. Then cut along the outside line on both sides. And pin the sides together following the inside line you traced. Then sew along these lines, remembering to remove pins as you go. On to making the straps. Using the excess fabric I cut off the side of the shirt, cut 2 pieces of fabric the same shape and size that will reach over your shoulder from front to back of the dress. With the right sides together, pin along the edge, repeating this for both straps. Then sew along where you've pinned. Turn the straps inside out so they are now the right way round. I used a safety pin to help me do this, but you can use whatever method is best for you. I hand sewed these onto the dress as they were quite thin and I find I have more control this way, but you can use a machine if you wish to. Once the straps are attached, your dress is finished, and this is how it will look. I was so pleased with the outcome. It was really quick and easy to make, so it would be perfect to make in the morning for any sudden plans you may have that evening, whatever the occasion. I've noticed a few comments asking for a collaboration with my brother. If this is something you'd like to see, please like this video and leave any suggestions below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.